just still install it the same way. You don't want to take the liner off because that's what you're going to use to squeegee it down then. So just keep the liner on. Lay it down. The thing that you got to make sure is that you don't have any air underneath it, or you can get creases in it, which is then going to still ruin the film. Then what we usually do, just make sure it's nice and wet. I take my squeegee and just make sure the film is laid down, that the liner is not going to move or do any tearing when you're trying to squeegee out the other water from the actual film. So now you can see it's on pretty good. You don't have any major creases or anything anywhere. Wet the entire liner again. Take your squeegee and then start over using the liner, pushing the water out. That way you're not scratching the ink that is on the actual film. Try to do as much as you can with the liner, because even sometimes as you're bumping it, you can still scratch the ink. And obviously you are going to have to bump it eventually. You just take your time. Take off the liner. You probably will see some hazing in there, just because of the fact that you're pushing as much as you can with the liner on there, and you're not going to get a full clean push like you normally would. I don't like to use the paper towels. I prefer the more blue, the softer edge towels to squeegee out this, like to bump it, because we found out that the paper towels will scratch. You'll notice a lot of times, like, you might not see it right away, but you'll see slow, like your little scratches as you're going down then. So I prefer these rags over the white paper towels, just because they have a softer edge to them. And then you'll see, like, you'll have streaking patterns in here, but that all goes away once the water dries out. If you push too hard sometimes, as you're squeegeeing it out, you can wrinkle the film, and then it's just gonna, it's whatever you did to I'm sorry, not the film, the liner, whatever you did to the liner is gonna happen to your film then. So that's why you just want to take your time. But like all these little streak marks, as everybody knows, all goes away over time as soon as the water dries out.